Pull up a seat and get ready for your daily dose of elevation. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of body hair. I know there is a lot of controversy around body hair and it's seen as unkept or dirty, but that's untrue. I feel more feminine with it and definitely not dirty. Body hair may play a larger role than you think. It regulates body temperature, which is known as thermoregulation. It does this by trapping heat in cold environments and allows sweat evaporation in hot environments. It's a layer of protection. It allows for less skin-to-skin friction and less skin-to-clothing friction, which can cause skin irritation and ingrown hair. It's a part of the sensory system and alerts you when small things like insects land on your body. Body hair plays a role in sexual attraction by signaling pheromone release, more specifically armpit hair and pubic hair. If the hair wasn't meant to be there, why does it keep growing? Getting rid of body hair could be linked to breast cancer. This hasn't been proven. However, you're shaving your armpit hair, which is your layer of protection, and then applying deodorant or antiperspirants, which most contain toxic chemicals. Most deodorants or antiperspirants contain aluminum, which is a neurotoxin. Exposure to neurotoxins like aluminum can cause neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease, or most people may call it Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, Huntington's disease, autism spectrum disorder, also known as ASD, myotrophic lateral sclerosis, also known as ALS, and formerly known as Lou Gehrig's disease. Deodorant or antiperspirant stops or dries up sweat by blocking the sweat glands. Y'all, we are supposed to sweat, 1, to regulate body temperature, and 2, to get rid of toxins. Although your skin, your liver, your large intestines, your lungs, and your kidneys are your primary sources for ridding the body of waste through excretion by sweat, urine, exhaling, and defecation, which is a bowel movement. However, the armpits are still a point of elimination. Hair doesn't cause odor. The body only traps the odor. The odor comes from what you are consuming. The more toxins you have, the more you will sweat, and the more body odor you will have. Change your diet, change your life. What I use instead of deodorant is lime juice. I keep the lime juice in this little glass spray bottle in the fridge. When I'm leaving home, I spray a little under my arms. I do like to mix mine with a little spring water so that the lime juice isn't so raw. I believe I got these from Amazon. They came in a pack of 3 with a little funnel. If you don't like long body hair, you can invest in a trimmer like this one. I believe this is the Remington brand. I got this from Walmart. This trimmer will help you keep everything tidy. Women are targeted because we are emotional buyers, so we spend the most money. And also we bear the children. So if a woman's body is off balance, especially during pregnancy, a lot of chemicals crosses the placenta and blood-brain barrier, causing harm to the unborn fetus, which in the end, the medical industry gains profit. I'm not trying to sway you one way or the other. I'm just here to educate those who are unaware of the dangers of getting rid of body hair. I understand it's a matter of preference. I used to be one of those women who couldn't stand body hair. And I was also one of those women who suffered from razor bumps and skin discoloration from shaving. When you know better, you do better. I've detached from what society deems as normal and embraced myself the way God intended. Stay elevated. Amen.
Whatever happens, I'm good.